Hello everyone, this is Prithvi Raj, and in this video we are going to discuss about Infosys updated pattern 2021. Let us concentrate on eligibility criteria first. All the BTech, BE, ME, MTech from every discipline are eligible for this drive. Not only BE, BTech, MCA and MSc students can also apply. The most important key points that we are having over here is you are not supposed to have an active backlog when you are facing this placement drive. If you are having a backlog, you are not eligible, and you should be ready to relocate yourself to any Infosys campus in India, and you are going to work on different technologies, and you are supposed to be comfortable, and Infosys is going to give you those technology introductions and training. Now let us see the academic requirement that we are having. The SSC, which is nothing but 10th standard, you are supposed to have 60 or more than 60 percentage. Intermediate is the same, again 60 or more than 60 percentage. BE BTech is 65 or 6.5 CGPA or more than that. Moving on, the Infosys recruitment process for 2021 is having 3 rounds, which is online test, technical interview and HR interview. The point to be remembered over here is every round is an elimination round, which means that if you are not done with online test, if you are not able to clear online test, you are not going to get promoted to technical interview. Again, if you are not able to clear technical, you are not going into HR round. So please be careful guys, try to concentrate on each level equally. Now we are going to see the old pattern of Infosys written exam, in which we are having 3 sections. Together we are having 65 questions in it, and the time given is 95 minutes. Anyway, the past is in the past. Moving on to the new pattern or the updated pattern, in which we are having 5 sections. If you observe over here, 2 more sections are added, and the time limit is 100 minutes, and the total number of questions are going to be 54. Anyway, we are going to discuss about these 5 sections in the following video. Okay, moving on, we are having a bit of system requirements and general instructions as well. As it is an online exam that we are going to face in Infosys, we are having few system requirements like the basic i3 processor, 4G RAM, functional webcam, and you are supposed to have a Google Chrome browser version which is greater than 70. The download speed is supposed to be 2 Mbps, and the upload is 1 Mbps, which is a very basic thing. And please make sure that you are not having any interrupted power supply, make sure of that. And moving on, the next 2 rounds after the online exam is going to be interview rounds, which will have technical interview and HR interview. First you are going to face technical interview, and I'm going to give you the basic idea about technical interview from the past 5 years. The expected things in technical interview is you are supposed to be strong in C, C++ and Java. Okay, the core languages are supposed to be very good, and you will get basic questions from C, Java, SQL, etc. So please be careful with that. And always we might face general questions regarding your project, academics, your favorite subjects, etc, etc. And moving on, once you are done with technical interview, you will go to HR round, and HR round is again a commonly asked questions like tell me about yourself, all this stuff. So please be ready with those things as well. In the next slide, we are going to concentrate on online written exam. In online written exam, the first section is going to be reasoning ability. As we can see, there are 3 concepts in reasoning ability, which is data interpretation, data sufficiency and deductive reasoning. Data interpretation, you will get 5 questions, 5 marks. Data sufficiency, 5 questions, 5 marks. Deductive reasoning, 5 questions, 5 marks. Let us concentrate on data interpretation. If you observe data interpretation, most of us know there are 4 parts of data interpretation. One is line, second one is bar graphs, third one is table chart, fourth one is pie chart. But in Infosys, always remember you might have one more data interpretation based questions, which is paragraph based, which means they'll give you a paragraph and the complete data would be there in the paragraph. You are supposed to understand the paragraph, get the data and answer the questions. Okay, and data sufficiency is very simple. You will have a question, you will have 2 statements. You should say whether the data is sufficient in the statements to give the answer for the question. And deductive reasoning is nothing but syllogisms or logical deduction. Moving on to the next section is mathematical ability. Mathematical ability is nothing but quantitative aptitude based topics, and the most important mathematical ability topic so far in Infosys till 2019 is crypto arithmetic, permutations, combinations, number series, ratios and proportions, probability, and seating arrangements. Crypto arithmetic is one of the complex thing that we are going to have. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to discuss more about crypto arithmetic, so please stay tuned to the channel. And permutation combination, most of you know numbers is you are supposed to find out the missing term, you are supposed to find out the odd man out, you are supposed to find out what is the next term, and so on. And ratios and proportions, probability are very basic questions. And the other topics, Infosys is not always confined on the important topics. You might get questions from the topics like allegations, mixtures, percentages, averages, time, speed and distance, profit and loss, and time and work. Once you are done with the important concepts, try to concentrate on these topics as well. And if you observe, the topics like averages and percentages is basic calculations, so there's always a need of understanding calculations when you are going for interview based, written exam based exam. Okay, and the third section is going to be verbal ability, where we are going to get questions from reading comprehension, where you will get a passage, 5 questions and 5 marks, error detection, 4 questions, 4 marks, identification, 4 questions, 4 marks, fill in the blanks, 4 questions, 4 marks, critical reasoning is 3 questions and 3 marks. The number of questions might change. Maybe you might get error detection 5 questions and fill in the blanks only 3 questions. It depends. Okay, moving on, we'll have a new section. This is added in 2021, which is a pseudocode. You will get 5 questions and 10 marks, which means 2 marks per question. And pseudocode is nothing but it is a test for your programming language, where you will get a program. You should understand the program. They might ask you the output, or else they'll give you a program. They might miss 1 or 2 lines in the program, and they might give you the output. They might ask you the code. So it depends. So please be careful. Try to keep some work on your technical skills as well, programming languages as well, so that it will help you to clear the pseudocode. And moving on, the next new round, the 5th new round that we are having is puzzle solving. In puzzle solving, we will get the number of questions, the number of marks depends. Okay, so you will get 4 questions and the marks depends. Few times it might be 3 marks, few times it might be 2 marks. We are not sure about that one. And the number based pattern style questions is one of the puzzles that you might face, or visual reasoning is one more type of puzzle questions that you might face. Also, you might also get word puzzle, Sudoku. Like if you can see over here, they might ask you a puzzle in this way as well, where they will give you a 3x3 matrix. They will give you the complete numbers. They will give you a question mark in a number. Okay, like I am going to draw over here. If you observe it clearly, so it is going to be a question mark over here, and you are supposed to get what is that question mark from the pattern, from the given options. Hope you got the complete idea about Infosys 2021 pattern, and for the time being I am not discussing in detail about the topics. Always remember guys, if you want to clear Infosys round, the major elimination round that you are going to face is the written exam. 80% of the people are not able to clear that, which means that if you are able to clear the written exam, 80% of the drive is done. Technical interview and HR interview are going to be a bit easy when compared to the written exam, because majority people are getting eliminated and written exam. So please concentrate, focus on the training sections that you are going through, and you should get a proper training on each and every topic. No topic is less important or more important. Everything is equally important. So please concentrate, and all the best. I hope you can clear the drive, and in upcoming videos I'm going to give you more updates about Infosys pattern and different patterns, and maybe if possible I might give you the examples for each and every question. And if you are done with this, we can all say winner winner. Oh, we should not say that. So winner winner vegetable dinner. And all the best. Hope this helps you. Like, share and comment, and tata bye bye amigos.